How's everyone doing? Hope everyone's alright. I just came from almost a 10-hour shift. So it's been a long day. And all we want to do is check out the birds. Hopefully we're going to get them flying tomorrow. Hopefully we're going to get some good weather. And look at that. If I didn't set my goals on flying, some of these would be exceptional breeding. That one right there. This nice hen over here. That Veso straight blue. That pied over there. Blacks. I had all the hens out, so I managed to put them all back into the breeding hens. One of the young ones, future breeders, I have forgotten it in here. That one's coming up as well, look at that. Really nice. That's going to be great for breeding as well, but no. We can't think like that. Get them all going flying. Hopefully we get another flight tomorrow. But that red, that pie. There's a couple others that join them. 3-4 others. They go really high. You can tell they want to stay longer. But I'm afraid from the hawks. So I'm just making sure the others, once they all get fit and all fly together, once they're all going together, at least if I can have 15 going together, then that's alright. I can use the rest when I want to bring them down. Something like that. Yeah. It's funny how that pair that made that one straight blue, they made another straight blue. Is he hiding? No, yeah, there he is. Hiding underneath there. Also made that pied. Same breeding pair. But that one's special. He went missing for a couple of days. Came back. Minus his hen that he was partnered with. Now, I knew he would never go away. It just seemed like a very smart bird, but the hen must have stuffed him up. But he came back. That's what it's about. And that Tippler's doing alright. Did great in that flight. So, hope we get him going tomorrow. I haven't put on video all the young ones that I've kept for breeding that I've cut and put them on the other side. They're coming up really nice too. Again, I'll have to separate the hands and the nails separately. If we get a couple more bred like him, that'd be amazing. That'd be amazing. Their water, they've already been fed. They got fed before I came to work. That's good. That one's a flyer. Crazy. Sister from different eggs. That red one over there. Straight blues. Never had straight blues. Never had straight reds. Never had silver saddlebacks either. Not taking it for granted, that's for sure. He is flying around though. But definitely have to put him on the other side.